What is up everyone, this is Team Developers channel and in this video we are going to fix Rocket League launch error or Rocket League not launching issue in Windows 10. So before starting this video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. Let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix Rocket League launch issue, first of all you just need to go to Apex Game Launcher and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't